Skill 4.1. Use secondary sources to sequence the main regions of the alimentary canal and its associated organs. S. Organization. SS. Observation, interpretation, categorization. Objective: to provide a comprehensive understanding of the main regions of the alimentary canal, their functions, and the associated organs involved in the digestive process. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Alimentary Canal Odyssey and solve it. Skill 4.2. Use a model to show the functions of different parts of the alimentary canal. S. Identification through model. SS. Visual understanding, comparative analysis. Objective: to enable students to visually and conceptually grasp the functions of various parts of the alimentary canal using models. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Alimentary Canal Model Analysis and solve it. Knowledge 4.3. Role of enzymes in digestion. Our diet contains nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. All these nutrients are large molecules and are converted into simpler substances with the help of enzymes. Enzymes are special proteins that speed up the chemical reactions in our bodies. They build some substances and break down others. The enzymes involved in digestion are secreted by the salivary glands, the walls of the stomach, the pancreas, and the small intestine. Due to the action of digestive enzymes, the absorption of the nutrients from intestines to the bloodstream becomes easy. Skills 4.3 to 4.8. Ask questions to initiate scientific inquiry. Investigate the effect of the enzyme amylase on starch solution. Make predictions using scientific knowledge and understanding. Test predictions with reference to evidence gained. Use a range of equipment correctly. Compare results with predictions. S. Investigation, scientific inquiry. SS. Critical thinking, hypothesis formulation, experimental design, data analysis. Objective: to investigate amylase's impact on starch solutions, predict outcomes based on scientific knowledge, experimentally verify predictions, showcase correct laboratory equipment handling, and compare results with initial forecasts. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Enzyme Action Expedition and solve it. Knowledge 4.4. Coordination with the circulatory system. The digestive system and circulatory system work together and ensure the availability of materials to produce energy by the cells. The digestive system breaks down the nutrients in food into their building blocks such as glucose, amino acids, fatty acid, and glycerols, etc. Amino acids and sugar enter into the outermost epithelial cells of the villi, villus, which are connected with blood vessels. From epithelial cells, they enter into the blood vessels and reach the liver. However, fatty acids and glycerols are bulky molecules that could not be absorbed into lacteal. A lacteal is a lymph vessel that contains watery fluid to fight against diseases. The lymph vessels are connected with the lymphatic duct, which is connected to the blood vessels. The fats make their way from lymphatic vessels into the lymphatic duct and then to blood, then they are transported to the liver. In the liver, these nutrients are detoxified and converted into the simplest substances and stored until the body needs them. From the liver, these nutrients are delivered to the heart through blood vessels. The heart pumps them in arteries that reach each cell throughout the body. The nutrients enter the cells via diffusion. Hence, the availability of raw materials to produce energy is ensured.